Have you ever seen a flower that looks like a tiny white rose but grows on a green leafy shrub? Meet the beautiful Double Crepe Jasmine, one of the most elegant flowering plants found in Indian homes and gardens. Hello everyone, welcome back to Vyapthi Curious Minds. Today we are going to explore a beautiful flower which is nothing but Double Crepe Jasmine. Its pure white flowers, glossy leaves, and easy maintenance make it a favorite for plant lovers. What is Double Crepe Jasmine? Double Crepe Jasmine is scientifically called Tabernae montana divaricata. It belongs to the Apocynaceae family and is commonly known as Chandni plant, Nandivardhanam pinwheel flower. Unlike regular jasmine, this plant has thick layered petals that look soft and folded like crepe paper. That's why it is called crepe jasmine. Special features. Why do gardeners love this plant so much? Because beautiful white flowers all year round. Low maintenance. Grows well in pots and gardens. Evergreen glossy leaves. Attracts butterflies and pollinators. And the best part? It can bloom even in hot Indian weather. This plant is often used for home decoration, garden borders, balcony gardening, temple and traditional gardens. How to grow it? Growing Double Crepe Jasmine is very easy. It loves bright sunlight or partial shade. Water regularly but don't overwater. Well-drained soil helps the plant grow healthy roots. Trim old branches occasionally to encourage more flowers. With proper care, this plant becomes full of white blooms. Here is an interesting fact. Even though it is called jasmine, Double Crepe Jasmine is not a true jasmine plant. It only resembles jasmine because of its beautiful white flowers. If you love elegant flowering plants that are easy to grow, Double Crepe Jasmine is a perfect choice for your home garden. Would you grow this beautiful plant? Comment below your favorite flowering plant. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Vyapthi Curious Minds for more amazing science and plant related videos. See you in the next video. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.